Have you ever wondered why some bodies of water turn from crystal clear to a murky green? Or why fish in certain lakes and rivers suddenly die off? The answer to these questions lies in a phenomenon called eutrophication. Eutrophication is a process that occurs in aquatic ecosystems when they become overly enriched with minerals and nutrients. This enrichment is primarily due to two key elements: nitrogen and phosphorus. Both are essential for life, but in excess they can disrupt the balance of an ecosystem and lead to a series of adverse effects. So, how does eutrophication happen? It all starts with human activity. Agriculture, industry, and even our daily household routines can contribute to an excess of nutrients in our water systems. When we use fertilizers on our crops, or when factories release waste, these nutrients can end up in our rivers, lakes, and oceans. The journey of these nutrients into bodies of water is facilitated by runoff. Picture this. It rains on a field where a farmer has just applied fertilizer. The rainwater mixes with the nutrients in the fertilizer and carries them into nearby streams and rivers. From there, they flow into larger bodies of water. Once these nutrients reach an aquatic ecosystem, they act as a feast for a certain group of organisms, the phytoplankton. These tiny plant-like organisms thrive in nutrient-rich conditions and they start to multiply rapidly. This rapid, uncontrolled growth of phytoplankton is known as an algal bloom. Algal blooms can have a significant impact on the ecosystem. They block sunlight from reaching other plants and organisms below the water surface, disrupting photosynthesis. When the algae die, they sink to the bottom and decompose, a process that consumes oxygen in the water. This leads to oxygen depletion or hypoxia, which can cause other aquatic life, like fish and shellfish, to suffocate and die. This, in a nutshell, is the process of eutrophication, a cycle started by human activities that results in nutrient-rich waters, algal blooms, and ultimately, an ecosystem out of balance. To sum up, eutrophication is a process driven by excess nutrients, particularly nitrogen and phosphorus, entering water bodies. These nutrients fuel the rapid growth of algae, which can block sunlight, disrupt photosynthesis, and lead to oxygen depletion. The result is a disrupted ecosystem, with potential large-scale die-offs of aquatic life. Understanding this process is key to mitigating its effects and working towards healthier, more balanced aquatic ecosystems.